Welcome back to Math Zen, everyone. Today's video is going to explore improper fractions, or fractions greater than 1, and how we can convert them into mixed numbers. We will also cover converting mixed numbers back into improper fractions. Let's get into it.
Alrighty, as you can see here, we have an improper fraction of 13/5, and it has been converted into a mixed number of 2 3/5. Let's go ahead and explore how we accomplish that. You need to first take the numerator, which is really just the dividend, and divide it by the denominator, which is really just the divisor. So what you're solving here is 13 divided by 5, which equals 2 remainder 3. Once you've done that, you just need to know how to plug those numbers in to form your mixed number. The whole number 2 is this whole number 2, and the remainder 3 is this numerator 3, and your denominator always stays the same. Now, how do we reverse that and take the mixed number and convert it back into an improper fraction? Well, we need to take our whole number 2 and multiply it by our denominator of 5, and then add the numerator of 3, which gives us 13 as our new numerator. And again, just like before, the denominator stays the same. Alright, now that you've had a chance to see how this works, let's do a couple of these together in real time. Let's convert 8/3 into a mixed number. What we need to think is 8 divided by 3, which is going to give us 2 as our whole number, and a remainder of 2 as our numerator, and the same denominator of 3. Moving over to 15/8. 15 divided by 8, we're saying we can get one group of 8 out of 15, with a remainder of 7 as our new numerator, and the same denominator of 8. Moving over to 2 3/4, we would multiply the whole number 2 times the denominator of 4 to get 8, plus 3 to give us 11 as our new numerator, and we keep the same denominator. Moving over to 3 1/3, we would multiply the whole number 3 times the denominator 3 to get 9, plus 1 to give us our new numerator of 10, and we keep the same denominator of 3. Great job if you're sticking with me. Alright, it's now your turn to practice a few of these on your own. Go ahead and pause the screen now to give yourself some time to solve.
Let me try to figure this out.
Alright, that should have been enough time for you to go ahead and get these 4 problems answered. Let's go ahead and check and see how you did. 13/4 would have converted to 3 1/4. 21/7 was intentionally there to try to trick you. 21 divided by 7 is just 3. There is no fractional part to that one. 3 2/5 is going to convert to 17/5. And finally, 2 5/8 is going to convert to 21/8. Very well done if you got those 4 correct.
Excellent job today working on converting mixed numbers and improper fractions. This will really come in handy for when we get into adding and subtracting mixed numbers. That's all for now. As always, don't forget to find your Math Zen.